it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show y'all these easy credit cards. So I'm literally going to just start flopping out these credit cards. Now, these are easy credit cards that you can get approved for if you have a low credit score, you guys. So let me just start running through these credit cards. I'm going to start popping them up on the screen. So yeah, y'all just bear with me. I'm going to show y'all what credit cards you guys may be able to get approved for. So the easy credit card that I always tell everybody to get is Capital One. So let's go ahead and click on credit cards. Let's look at the credit cards that's easy with Capital One. So when I first started building credit, I got the Platinum MasterCard with Capital One, and I got the Quicksilver. Remember, Capital One would allow you to have 4 credit cards. So you'll have to get 2 personal credit cards. And if your credit score is really low, you may have to just get a secure credit card, which is right here. So let me show you this one. So you can get 2 personal ones. So this is their secure credit card. And remember, your initial line of credit is going to be $200 with the secure credit card. But if your credit score is not so bad, they're going to tell you, hey, you don't have to put the full $200 down. Just put $49 down. Put $99 down. Or if your credit is like, okay, we just want to give you a chance, they may just say put the full $200 down. So you can get 2 personal, and then you can get 2 business credit cards. So let's run through these business credit cards. Now remember, these business credit cards is going to report on your credit report. So you wanna wait, one second, I went to the wrong place. You want to make sure you keep that in mind, because like when I was using my business credit cards with Capital One, I was so mad that they were reporting on my regular credit reports. But this is the one that I had the Spark, because at the time my credit was not the best, but they let me get it. So another credit card that I want you guys to know about is Credit One Bank. So let's see. Credit One Bank is an easy credit card that you guys can get. And when I tell y'all they're easy, if you just had a bankruptcy, then go ahead and try to see. Click here where it says see if you pre-qualify. Go ahead and try to get pre-qualified for this account. If you want to trick them into giving y'all this credit card because y'all credit probably not the best, like it's really, really bad, then go ahead and do this. Go to Factor Trust and opt in. So when you go to Factor Trust, they're going to tell all the credit card companies that you want to get credit, right? So when they tell all the credit card companies that you want to get credit, Credit One Bank is one of the companies that they're going to contact. You're going to get that mail-in offer. All you got to do is go ahead and accept that offer. They send it in all the time. Another company that does that is the Indigo credit card. So let me show you that credit card. So this is the Indigo credit card. They said receive the mail offer because they send in mail offers for you guys. So go ahead and try that out. And another card that I know somebody else got is a Fortiva credit card. So let's go to myfortiva.com/my account. Let's not go to that one. Let's click on this link. Respond to a mail offer. So those are 3 credit cards that you guys can get that's with a mail offer. Maybe a mail-in offer. I'm going to make a separate video on that next and make that into 2 videos because that's a whole nother discussion. Another credit card another line of credit that you guys can get is Victoria's Secrets. But instead of you know what? Let me pop that up, you guys. Victoria's Secret's credit card. So you guys can get that Victoria's Secret credit card. Now, I do not suggest you go this route and get the Victoria's Secret credit card this way. I don't want to pop up my screen because I don't want too much stuff shown. But it's other credit cards that you guys can get with the shopping cart trick, and Victoria's Secrets is one of those credit cards. You can get the Victoria's Secrets, you can get the Express, you can get the Camping World, which is a Good Sam Visa, you can get the Overstock, and you can get the Venus credit card. So those are easy credit cards you guys can get the shopping cart trick. And if you don't know what the shopping cart trick is, I'm going to make sure I have it. I have the video somewhere popping up, you guys, so check that out. Definitely check that out. So listen, let me tell y'all about some more easy credit cards that you guys can get. I see some people apply for the Capital One. They apply for the Credit One Bank. Some people even apply for this credit card right here, the Mission Lane credit card. So this is an easy credit card that you guys can apply for. Mission Lane, they like throw it out. And look at this. Respond to the mail-in offer. I'm going to make a video about this for real. Respond to the mail-in offer. You guys can go ahead and respond to that mail-in offer and get that credit card. You got Citi credit cards too, Citibank. Let's go ahead and see what credit cards they have to offer. So it's all the credit cards right here that you guys can get. So look at all these credit cards that Citibank actually offer. And then they even have it right here where you can actually compare your credit cards. You can pick which kind of credit card you want. So you can just click all credit cards and see the credit cards that they have right here. But like, it's a lot of credit cards, you guys. All these different credit cards that you guys can apply for. Don't forget, y'all got the Apple credit card. So we got the Apple credit card that you guys can apply for. And I'm just going to start just throwing them down there, you guys. There's a lot of credit cards you guys can apply for. So y'all can apply for the Apple credit card. So just click apply now. Go ahead and apply for this credit card. This is an easy credit card that people is actually getting. You have the Prime credit card. So let's see. Here's the two credit cards that they offer. One of them if you're a Prime member and the other if you're not a Prime member. But you guys, it's two credit cards here that you guys can go ahead and apply for. So listen, they got secure credit cards. Say if you can't get credit cards, go ahead and apply for the Open Sky credit card. This is a secure credit card that you guys can apply for. And that means that they're not going to be checking your credit. So right here too, you will see that they said that they're not going to be checking your credit. And on top of them not checking your credit, they have a $200 minimum deposit. So if you're not able to get the regular credit cards, you're not able to do the shopping cart trick, and you're like stuck, like I need a credit card, Rickita, try to do the Open Sky. You have the credit builder card. Oh, here's a credit builder card right here. This is another secure credit card that you guys can get, and you're able to get two. So it's only a $200 deposit. You can't put more down. Like with the Open Sky, you can put up to $3,000 down. But with this one, you only able to put $200 down, but they can give you two credit cards, and they're going to report within 2 weeks. So they got fast reporting to all 3 credit bureaus, which is going to really boost your credit score up. So let me see some other easy credit cards that you guys can get. How about we try to get the Discover? I haven't went over Discover credit card with you guys at all. Oh, I want to see the credit cards now. Come on now. Not this right here. Oh, here are credit cards. So here's the credit cards with Discover. Now, they do got a lot of different credit cards on here that you can get. They even have a secure credit card. They got the student cash back credit card. You know, they have the business credit card, but this is another easy credit card you guys can get. Now, I literally showed y'all over 20 credit cards. So definitely check out all my videos. I go into details on all these different credit cards. Go ahead and look. Just search in my YouTube. You guys should be able to search and be able to see these different credit cards. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and call and text me. I'm always here for you guys. Call or text me, and I'll be able to answer any question that you have. Remember, text score to 21,000 so that you can be a part of my texting club also. So I'm going to make sure that I send you guys the discount for 15% off my store if you're in my texting club. But if you want me to try to see if I can get those shopping cart trick credit cards for you, go ahead and look down in the description and fill out that form, and I can be able to help you guys. But I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Do is if you want to try my trick, I want you to opt into Factor Trust. So to opt into Factor Trust, you have to go ahead and click here. So this is the website. I'll have it down in the description. I want you to opt into Factor Trust. So when you opt into Factor Trust, all you're doing is telling them, hey, I want to get credit card offers. And you have to apply. You have to actually give them your name, your address, your social security number, your date of birth. They're a credit bureau. So they're similar to, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Those are the 3 major ones. But go ahead and click submit. After you click submit, then you want to go ahead and enter that information that I told you that you'll have to submit. Go ahead and submit the information and click confirm. Now, when you submit this, remember, you're telling them I want offers. So be prepared to get a lot of offers in the mail. But that's good because remember, you're trying to build your credit score up. And for you to build your credit score up, you need at least 4 credit cards. Now, let me show you what you can do after you actually opt in. After you opt in, then you have a chance of getting approved for credit cards without them actually checking your credit score. So let's go ahead and go to victoriassecrets.com because that's an easy website where you can just test and see if you can do the opt-in. You don't have to get the credit cards, but you can see if you get the pop-up saying you're pre-approved without them checking your credit scores and without them actually give you that hard inquiry. So let's go to victoriassecrets.com. So after we go to victoriassecrets.com, I want you to put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. I already have items in my cart because I did not clear my cookies. So if you try this trick and it's not working for you, I want you to clear your cookies. I want you to clear your cookies, and I want you to go into incognito mode. And if you want me to go through that, let me just run through it really quickly. You don't have to ask. I'll just do it. Let's go ahead and click the three dots here at the top. So it's three dots at the top, and go to settings. After you go to settings, I want you to put pop into the box. And I'm going to kind of go fast because I don't want to, if you already know this, I don't want to, pull you through it. But I want you to go ahead and click here where you see it's highlighted with the pop. Go ahead and click there, scroll to the bottom, and you want to make sure that you click pop here, and then you allow pop-ups. You make sure that it says allowed. So make sure it says allowed on your computer. Go ahead and click enter again on pop. Let's go ahead and just put pop in again. I want you to go to clear browsing data. That's your cookies. That's when they track you. They know where you've been. So far they say I've been to 169 sites. I downloaded 10 items. Like, they know too much, right? So I want you to clear your data. So after you clear your data, they're not going to have this information anymore. So I want you to go to the Victoria's Secrets website, but I want you to do it in an incognito mode. I'm able to do it without incognito, but I want you to see what it looks like to do it in incognito. And this is actually called the shopping cart trick, what we're going to be doing. So I want you to put Victoria's Secrets here, click submit, click enter, and I want you to put that $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. So I like to just go ahead and hover over sleep and go to Cami sets. But again, it can be any $200 to $250 that you want to go ahead and pick the items. You can pick them yourself. You don't have to go ahead and follow these items, but I suggest you follow them, but you don't have to. And you can always rewind, slow it down, or whatever it takes so that you can go ahead and get this trick to work for you. So I like to click the small, and I like to get 4 of them. And so I get the same items. I don't like to go ahead and get different items. I think it's just too much work and it's not necessary. So I want to add this to my bag. Now I want to click checkout. Now, as you can see here, the items is actually only $198, but with taxes, it's going to put me over that $200 mark. So I'm not concerned about it. So I'm going to click checkout. After you click checkout, you want to check out as a guest. So go ahead and click checkout as a guest. Now, I want you to go ahead and type your information in, that same information that you put into Factor Trust. I want you to put your first and last name here, your address here. I want you to put your phone number and your email address in. And the only reason why you want to put that same exact information, that's because when the Factor Trust sent your information over to these credit card companies, the only thing that they gave them was your name, your address, your phone number, and your email address so that they can mail you stuff, they can email you things, you can get all these different offers, right? So put that same information in here, but I want to type this information in of the client that I have. So remember, you want to make sure that this is that same information. If you do not put the information in correct, then they're not going to go ahead and give you that pop-up that I'm going to show you in a second. So I'm just typing in all the information that you will have to put in so that you can get that pop-up. And keep this in mind too. There's over 60 different credit cards that allow you to get credit cards without them checking your credit score. So go ahead, if you get approved for this one, if you get the pop-up, I want you to get the shopping cart trick guide in the description where you can see those 60 different credit cards. So I have all of the information put in. So I just want to verify that everything is correct so we can get the pop-up. So far, everything is correct. I want to click continue to delivery. So after you click continue to delivery, this is the pop-up that you're going to get. It's going to say, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. And this is the pop-up for all of the companies. You should get the same exact pop-up saying that you're pre-approved. Now, they're asking you to pick which credit card you want to get. So I always like to get the pink. If you watch this plenty of times because you're trying to master this trick, then you know I love the pink card. So I'm going to click accept now. And what they're going to ask you for is they want you to put your date of birth here, your last 4 digits of your social twice, and they want you to go ahead and check this box here and click finish, submit for review. So that is what they want you to put here. And remember, after you go ahead and put this information in, they're going to let you know, congratulations, you're pre-approved for $500. You're pre-approved for $1,000. Now, I don't suggest that you actually buy the things on this. I don't suggest that you go ahead and get it. What I would do is I would just exit out. So I would click that X right there. And after they tell you how much you're approved for, they're going to send you that card in the mail. So you can go ahead and look at my guide down in the description. It's called the Shopping Cart Trick Guide. And you'll be able to get those same credit cards that that's on that guide. And remember, they're not going to be checking your credit score, and they're not going to be pulling your credit reports, giving you that hard inquiry. But if you have problems with hard inquiries, then go ahead and look down in the description. I have the hard inquiry removal guide also, where you can go ahead and remove inquiries from your credit reports. But yes, guys, I taught you guys the trick. So now I want you just to implement it. And remember, you want to opt into Factor Trust. After you opt into Factor Trust, it's going to be so many different offers coming in the mail. And now they're going to tell these different companies that you want to get the credit card, which is going to make it easier for you to be able to get them. So if you have any questions, go ahead and call or text me. My phone number is 833-Rickita. And remember, I'm always here for you. So you can always call or text me. You're my assistants. We're definitely here for you. And if you want me to try to see if I can do this trick for you, I also have a section in the description that says, click here if you want me to try to do the trick for you. And usually that trick can be done within 24 hours so I can see if I can get you pre-approved. If you have any questions, like I said, call or text me. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment with your Cash App so you can be entered into my monthly drawing.